The Scotland County Care Center in Memphis was originally built in 1970, and after decades of service, that facility was closed in 2021 due to issues caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. After nearly 3 years of planning and evaluation, the board of directors is calling for the community's help to reopen the center's doors. KTVO's Nick Todorovich spoke with a care center leader to learn why the Missouri primary is so important for the future of that facility.
Scotland County residents got a chance to tour the Scotland County Care Center earlier this week. The area has been without this service since December 2021, but a bond issue in the upcoming Missouri primary is designed to speed up the reopening process for the facility. Community members and care center leaders spent the majority of the town hall discussing what this ballot measure entails.
I think the community wants to know how we would be spending the bond proposal. So we're asking for $4.8 million to cover the expenses of major roof repairs, heating and cooling, life safety codes, loading dock, safe parking lots, safe lighting. And I think they just want to know where their money was going to be spent if the bond passes.
During this week's tour, community members got the chance to see some of the wear and tear the building has suffered over the past 54 years. Since the closure, residents have had to get services at care centers in nearby counties, something that doesn't sit right with Scotland County Nursing Home Board Chairperson Tara Schultz.
Our elderly need to be living in their own backyard, and so we need them to bring them home, have the opportunity to serve other folks that might need to make that transition to either a residential care facility or to an intermediate care facility, and then also bring back jobs to our community.
In addition to bringing residents closer to their homes and families, the proposed reopening of this facility would generate an estimated 60 job openings. Schultz mentioned that getting the facility up and running again would stimulate the Memphis and Scotland County economies because people will spend their cash locally. She also says if voters approve this bond issue, it will allow the Care Center and the Scotland County Hospital to do what they were originally intended to do.
So in 1970, both boards created this entire campus with the mind that we take care of each other. And so that brings a big impact to the community that we're bringing people back here to share those services.
If voters vote yes on this question, they'll see a monthly increase of about $7.16. If they vote no, leadership from the Care Center will regroup and look for other loan opportunities. Reporting in Memphis, Nick Todorovich, KTVO News.
If the bond issue passes, Schultz estimates the reopening process would take somewhere between 9 months and a year. She says the first step would be to put out the construction out for bids, review those bids, and then buy the supplies needed.